Statistically, one of the safest places to travel is on the freeway. But getting on and off can be pretty dangerous. So today I'll share a few tips on how to safely merge and exit off of the freeway. I'm still scanning the intersection to make it clear of red light runners, and I'm entering my on-ramp. I can see there are 2 lanes, so I'm checking to my right. I don't see any cars coming in from the right merging in. Up ahead I am going to have to merge, so I'm going to get my signal on early, and I'm getting my speed up to 60 miles per hour, and I'm checking the gap in traffic early and often. So I see a gap behind me, I'm going to fit right in, and I'm on the freeway. Once I'm finally on the freeway, check my mirrors one more time and cancel my signal. Now that I'm on the freeway, I can increase my following distance from the car in front of me, make sure I've got a good 3 seconds at least of following distance. Turn, I can see that the ramp does have 2 lanes. The right lane is a carpool, which is going to merge in with me, so I'm checking to the right, nobody in the lane. And I do see the sign for an added lane up ahead, so I'm not going to have to merge. This makes it one of the easier kinds of on-ramps. So I still see the gore area to my left. A lot of cars cross this. So I'm looking ahead, and I'm still checking traffic around me in my rear view and side view mirrors and over my shoulder, because I want to see if anyone's going to try to sneak into my lane ahead of me or behind me. Right now it looks good, pretty clear. We've got a car coming in pretty fast from the right. It looks like they might want to take this exit. Add-on lanes are great, but they usually end up being exit-only lanes, so you have to get on the freeway and then decide if you want to stay and exit, or possibly move over and make a lane change. An important thing to think about when you're exiting is to look really far ahead and spot where your exit's going to be. Is it a mile away? Is it half a mile? Because you have to make a lane change to get into the correct lane. So look to see if it's just a normal exit, or potentially if it's an exit-only lane where you're forced to exit. A lot of times some people will make last-minute decisions to get into or out of an exit-only lane, so keep your eyes open when you're exiting. Here's my exit. I'm going to put my signal on, mirror over the shoulder, make sure no one's coming around me. I'm going to keep my speed up. When I'm on the off-ramp, I can begin to slow down, check my rearview mirror, look for conflicts, cancel my signal once I'm established in the off-ramp. Anytime you're exiting, look really far ahead to see what happens at the end of the ramp. Is it a stoplight? Is it a yield sign? That sort of thing. So I'm going to take a right, signal mirror over the shoulder, and it looks like I'm going to have a yield sign to my right. So I need to be really careful coming off the freeway. You're used to high speeds, so sometimes you can get velocitation, which means you get comfortable going so fast that when you get on the slower speeds, you tend to speed because you don't realize how fast you're going. So watch out for that as you get off the freeway.